Well, howdy, folks. So, this is an Optima Elite 3 made by Rheinmetall. And if you look really closely, some of my other videos, hell, a lot of my other videos, you can see this machine standing like that on my old desk. That's because I've been waiting around to get a left-hand margin stop on there. So if anybody has a margin stop that you want to send me, you're more than welcome to. I'll hook you up with something. I don't know what, but we can work out a trade. So that machine's been hanging out for a while. Now, I had bought this in an effort to try and bring that one back to life. And I got it for a song. I think like 20 bucks. You know, maybe 30 after shipping, if even 30 after shipping. I don't remember. It's been long enough that I don't remember how much I paid for it. And I almost always remember exactly to the dime how much I paid for each of these machines. This one sat in the box. I never even unpacked it. I shoved the box to the side of my desk, and then it went under the desk, and then it got moved downstairs when I moved my shop out here. And it sat for quite a while, totally unopened. Not forgotten, just had other stuff to do. Right. And today, I needed some space. And so I decided, what the hell? I'm gonna go ahead and open that thing up. Let's see what's in there. I knew what it was supposed to be, but I didn't know what it was gonna be. And I think I'm in love. First off, look at this case. This thing is rode hard and put away wet, and it does not care. It is solid as a rock. Like, I've had cars that were less solid than this. Lovely leather handle. I can't see it. Oh, it's got this crazy thick part behind there that just, it's got some meat to it. Like, you see leather handles on a lot of these old machines and you're like, I'm not gonna trust that thing. This, I would trust. I would totally trust it. So I was already thinking that I kind of liked this case before I even opened it. And then I opened it. Ooh. Now, I don't know how well the camera's getting this, but man, this machine is dirty. It's really dirty. It's got fuzz and gunk and nasty shit all over the place. Like, really giant chunks of fluff and crud and nasty ick everywhere. One of the grodiest that I've seen. Like, there's dead bugs and insect nests, like spider sacks and all that stuff inside there. But for some reason, it still works, right? That was my first thought, was holy shit, it still works. And then I worked the piece of paper out of it, which the piece of paper, by the way, was this onion skin that has apparently been in there for a long damn time. From Pent Springs, West Virginia, March 2nd. I wish he had typed the frickin' year. I really do. But, Fleetway onion skin, made in USA, and eaten by bugs. So that's what was in there. And when I put in my own piece of paper, how delightfully surprised was I? Because, check it out, without doing a single damn thing to this machine, mind you. You know, and look at how nasty that segment is. I don't know if the camera is getting all that, but it's disgusting. And really, like, I kind of don't want to touch it, but I can't help touching it because, just because of that, really, and that, and all of this, which I typed with this machine, with that ribbon. because it works. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. No skipping, no crowding, nothing. And more importantly, no cleaning. I haven't done a damn thing to it. I did not clean the segment. I don't understand it. I mean, now is the time for all good men to come. Come to the aid. That's totally me. That's not the machine. That's the machine. Of their country. So the bell hangs a little bit, but so far, that's that. Well, and the tab's kind of weird. I don't know how the tab works on one of these. Well, it does things, but I don't get it. It works. It works extremely well. It's so nice and light and loose. I mean, it's obviously been used and used and used and used and used a lot. Like, right, a whole lot. But I've had machines that looked clean that didn't even come close to this. And this thing has visible giant chunks of fluff and nasty ick. And like, what is this? I don't, this is just one. I'm amazed and in love. Part of what I like about this thing is the ribbon cover. It's got this big crack in it, but it's still just solid as a rock. Now, something I didn't realize about this design that even more endears it to me is this thing. This little port. No, that's not a USB port, all you millennials. And it's not supposed to be sitting there like that. It's got a screw missing inside there. It's supposed to sit like that. That's where your paper rest goes. My first thought was, oh God, the paper rest is broken. No, it's just under this clip over here, because that's how you do it on this thing. I'm gonna do a little spring in there, or clip screw in there, but the paper rest just plugs in, and then when you're done with it, you just unplug it and clip it back over there. I've never seen that before. So anyway, this is not gonna be a parts machine, I'm afraid. Why? Like, I really need another typewriter to stinking work on, man. And this means that I still need a margin stop for that thing. Anyway, couldn't resist doing a video on this one because sometimes it's love at first sight.